Ever found yourself in a constant state of worry or fear? Could this be a sign of anxiety? Today, we delve into the world of mental health, specifically focusing on 6 key signs that may indicate you have anxiety. First on our list is excessive worrying. It's natural to worry, especially when faced with challenging situations. However, when the worrying becomes persistent and it begins to interfere with your daily life, it may be a sign of generalized anxiety disorder. This type of worry is usually disproportionate to the situation at hand and can be difficult to control. Secondly, we have restlessness. Individuals with anxiety often describe feeling on edge or unable to sit still. This constant state of agitation can be physically and emotionally draining, leaving you feeling exhausted, yet unable to find relief or relaxation. Third, we explore the realm of irrational fears. Some people with anxiety disorders experience specific phobias, an intense fear of something that poses little or no actual danger. These fears are not just extreme, they are disruptive and can limit your ability to function normally. Our fourth proof is sleep problems. Difficulty falling asleep or staying asleep is common in individuals with various forms of anxiety. While everyone has a sleepless night here and there, persistent problems with sleep could be a sign of an anxiety disorder. Fifth on our list is chronic indigestion. Anxiety may start in the mind, but it often manifests itself in the body through physical symptoms like chronic digestive problems. Irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, a condition characterized by stomach aches, cramping, bloating, gas, constipation, and/or diarrhea, is basically anxiety in the digestive tract. Lastly, we have panic attacks. These are sudden episodes of intense fear that trigger severe physical reactions when there is no real danger or apparent cause. Panic attacks can be very frightening. When panic attacks occur, you might think you're losing control, having a heart attack, or even dying. In summary, the 6 proofs that you might have anxiety are excessive worrying, restlessness, irrational fears, sleep problems, chronic indigestion, and panic attacks. These signs are not exhaustive, and it's important to remember that everyone's experience with anxiety is unique. If you find yourself identifying with several of these signs, it may be time to seek professional help. Mental health is as important as physical health, so don't hesitate to reach out to a mental health professional if you think you might be dealing with anxiety. You're not alone in this, and help is available.